Sony Xperia 1.6, the best camera phone in 2025, redefining mobile photography. In 2025, Sony Xperia 1.6 stands tall as the best camera phone in the market, revolutionizing mobile photography with its innovative features. Combining professional-level camera capabilities with cutting-edge technology, the Xperia 1.6 continues Sony's legacy of pushing boundaries in smartphone imaging. For photography enthusiasts and content creators alike, this phone is a game-changer. But what makes it the best camera phone in 2025? Let's dive deeper and find out. Stunning camera system, professional photography in your pocket. The Xperia 1.6 boasts a triple-lens camera system developed in collaboration with Sony's Alpha camera division. Each lens is carefully engineered to deliver unparalleled image quality. Primary sensor, 50 megapixel f1.7, captures detailed shots with remarkable clarity, even in low-light conditions. The enhanced sensor ensures less noise and true-to-life colors. Ultra-wide lens, 12 megapixel f2.2. Perfect for landscapes and group shots, delivering a 120-degree field of view without compromising image sharpness. Periscope telephoto, 16 megapixels with 5x optical zoom, ideal for zooming into distant subjects with precision and clarity, bringing DSLR-like capabilities to your pocket. Sony's X-More-T sensor technology enhances the dynamic range, ensuring well-balanced shots in bright and shadowy environments. The AI-powered scene detection helps optimize settings automatically for different scenarios, from portraits to nightscapes, making it easier for anyone to capture professional-grade photos. Cinematic videography. Shoot like a pro. Videographers will be thrilled with the Xperia 1VI's Cinema Pro mode, which offers 4K HDR recording at 120 FPS. With access to manual controls like shutter speed, ISO, and focus pulling, you can create cinematic masterpieces on the go. Additionally, the optical steady shot stabilization ensures smooth footage even in dynamic situations. Sony's real-time eye autofocus for both humans and animals ensures your subject is always in focus, whether you're shooting a close-up portrait or tracking a moving pet. It's a feature borrowed from Sony's Alpha cameras, making the Xperia 1Vs a top choice for vloggers and filmmakers. Immersive display. See every detail. The Sony Xperia 1v6 features a 6.7-inch 4K OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR support. This stunning display offers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, perfect for reviewing photos and videos in their full glory. With Sony's Creator Mode, you can experience colors exactly as they were intended, making it a favorite among photographers and videographers who need accurate color grading. The 21:9 cinema-wide aspect ratio not only enhances the viewing experience for videos and games, but also makes multitasking effortless. Whether you're editing photos or watching your favorite series, the display's ultra-clear resolution ensures every detail stands out. Power and performance. Built for creators. Under the hood, the Xperia 1v6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage. This ensures a seamless experience whether you're editing high-resolution videos or running multiple apps simultaneously. The 5,000 mAh battery with fast charging and wireless charging keeps you powered throughout the day, even with intensive camera use. Sony also provides IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring your phone can handle tough environments. The microSD card slot allows you to expand storage up to 1 terabyte, giving photographers plenty of space for large photo and video files. Software and features. Tailored for photography enthusiasts, Sony's Photography Pro app offers a DSLR-like experience, giving users full manual control over settings such as shutter speed, aperture, and white balance. For those who prefer simplicity, the phone's AI engine ensures you get the best results with minimal effort. The Xperia 1v6 also excels in real-time HDR processing, making it easier to capture breathtaking images with rich detail in both highlights and shadows. The RAW file support ensures professional photographers have complete control over their post-processing workflow. Why the Sony Xperia 1v6 is the best camera phone in 2025. Unmatched camera technology. Sony's experience in camera manufacturing gives the Xperia 1.6 an edge over competitors. Cinematic video capabilities with manual controls and 4K HDR recording, it's the ultimate tool for filmmakers. Pro-level software. The Photography Pro and Cinema Pro apps provide creative freedom rarely seen in smartphones. Stunning display. The 4K OLED display makes reviewing and editing content a pleasure. In 2025, the competition in the smartphone camera market is fierce. But the Sony Xperia One outshines its rivals with a perfect balance of hardware and software innovation. Whether you're a professional photographer, a vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing memories in the best quality possible, the Xperia One V6 is your go-to device. Conclusion. The Sony Xperia One VIX isn't just a smartphone, it's a powerful photography tool that fits in your pocket. With its state-of-the-art camera system, cinematic video capabilities, and top-tier performance, it rightfully earns the title of the best camera phone in 2025. If you're looking for a phone that bridges the gap between professional cameras and everyday convenience, the Xperia One V6 is the ultimate choice. So if you want to take your mobile photography to the next level, the Xperia One V6 is waiting for you. Don't just settle for any phone. Choose the best camera phone of 2025.